How to whiten your mattress and pillow. Everything in your house needs to be maintained, or, at the very least, the majority of things need to be cleaned. Your pillows and mattress are no different. Your pillows and mattress are probably home to some very visible stains and discoloration. They can even be a breeding ground for mites and bad odors. Would you like to get rid of these stains and leave behind beautiful and clean white fabric? Of course. Learn how to whiten your pillows and mattress today. Why are my pillows so yellow? You may be wondering why your pillows become so discolored with time. Believe it or not, one of the main causes is sweat. Sometimes, when we sleep, our body sweats. Depending on what your pillow is made of, your sweat soaks into it. When it dries, your sweat starts to leave yellow marks on your pillow. Sometimes, it doesn't matter what type of cover you put on the pillow. Your sweat can still filter down into the pillow itself. This can cause it to yellow and create a breeding ground for mites. All of this happens because sweat starts to create humidity. This makes the perfect environment for mites. These pests can then cause both respiratory and skin allergic reactions. That's why it's vital to clean pillows well. Cleaning your pillows is more important than you might think. Check out what state your pillows are in to prevent possible future problems. Be careful with sun exposure. Another reason that your pillows might change color is because of sun exposure. This happens when they're exposed to sunlight for a long time. This can make your pillows turn yellow, too. The problem is the whitening agents used to make pillows white. When they are exposed to sunlight, they start to break down and the color of your pillow gradually changes. Be careful of overexposing your pillows to sunlight. How to whiten your pillow. Your pillows should be washed 3 times per year. Washing them this often is enough to keep them looking fantastic. Let's take a look at how to wash them. First, you have to make sure that your pillow doesn't have any yellow marks yet, or make sure that it is still mostly white. Otherwise, you won't get the results you want. Next, prepare a homemade whitener. Ingredients: 3 liters of water, 1/4 cup, 62 milliliters, of lemon juice, 1 cup, 250 milliliters, of hydrogen peroxide. Preparation: mix all of the ingredients. Then, set it aside for whitening your pillow. Now let's take a look at the whole whitening process. Ingredients: hot or boiling water, 1 cup, 200 grams, of laundry detergent, best if biodegradable, 1 cup, 200 grams, of biodegradable dishwashing soap, 1 cup, 250 milliliters, of homemade whitener, see above. 1/2 cup, 125 grams, of borax. Preparation. First, check the tags and make sure your pillow can be machine washed. Then, take off the pillow cover. Put your washing machine on hot or white. You can add a couple pots of boiling water if you choose to do so. If you can, program it for 2 rinse cycles. Add the ingredients to the washing machine. Then, start the wash cycle. Let it stir the water for a few minutes so all of the detergent is dissolved. Put your pillows in and let the washer continue the wash cycle. This way, your homemade whitening agent can work on your pillows. How to clean your mattress. The same thing that happens to pillows can also happen to your mattress. That's why it's so important to protect it with bed sheets. Of course, these sheets should also be cleaned regularly. It's also important to ventilate your mattress every week. You should also wash it every once in a while to keep it in good condition. To clean your mattress correctly, you first need to vacuum both sides of it. This allows you to get rid of any dust. Then, you can wash it by following the next few steps. If there are any stains, you can clean them with a mixture of water and baking soda. After putting this paste on the stain, scrub it with vinegar and hydrogen peroxide diluted in water. Finally, you just have to let it air out. If there is a bad smell that won't go away, you can always spray it lightly with an air freshener. However, this is a personal issue that depends on what you and your family prefer.